Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Work Knives of the World. I think we're up to number 17 now. And in this one I want to take you back to Japan again to look at a knife that's got a very, very long history there. And it's called the Hori Hori Knife. In Japanese, Hori translates to two dig. So it's basically two dig knife. And it's a gardening knife. And here's some examples. Yeah, so you can see it resembles a trowel in a way. However, it's unique in that it has a sharpened edge and a serrated edge. There are some examples that have sharpened edges on both sides. They don't have the serrated edge, the saw blade portion of it. But they all seem to have that same characteristic that the blade is concave. So it's kind of like a long, skinny trowel, but it's considered by some to be the ultimate gardening tool. And it's very unique, and so I set out to create one. Yeah, and so the history of the Hori Hori knife goes all the way back to the Edo period of Japan, which was 1603 to 1868. And it's truly a piece of Japanese heritage. So in my previous videos on Japan, I mentioned that samurais were outlawed and katanas were confiscated in 1876 in Japan. So all these sword makers had to come up with new creations and design some new knives and stuff so that they could make a living making these things and selling them. And so yeah, there's some might refer to the Hori Hori knife as a bonsai knife, or there's another word I can't remember, but it's a mountain vegetable that used to grow wild in Japan up in the mountains, and then I guess now they cultivate it. They discovered a way to cultivate it, but they used to use a Hori Hori to go up in the mountains and harvest these vegetables, these leafy vegetables that grew wild up there in the mountains in Japan. So the knife has been widely used around the world by horticulturists and gardeners everywhere. So yeah, the knife is real handy for digging up weeds, pruning shrubs, cutting woody stems, all that type of thing. And like always, I made an example of a Hori Hori knife for this video. I just finished it, and so we'll take a look at it. Here it is. I made mine out of stainless steel. You can find examples of them made out of carbon steel. It is a thinner material, it's 50 thousandths thick, so I did design the handle to give it a little extra strength if you're prying with it. So it is very strong, it's not flexible at all. I found a real pretty piece of the spalted maple, so I used that for the handle with some nickel rivets, and I put a thong on it, lanyard on it. And so I used my electro etcher, and I put very deep etches in the blade, marking off inches for digging. And so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6. So it's about a 7-inch blade on it. This side here is sharpened. It's very sharp. And then this is the serrated side over here that I put on it, and then the tip is actually beveled also to help in digging. And so that's my Hori Hori knife. The sheath I won't spend too much time showing you because there's another YouTuber out there, Dave Pearson, who I watch. His channel is Really Big Monkey One, and he's an excellent sewer. He's great on a sewing machine, and I just knocked this out really quick, and I did a terrible job, so don't look at the stitching. But I made it out of canvas, and I did put a leather welt in it to protect it because both edges of this knife are sharp. So it has a leather welt glued inside this canvas sheath to protect the stitching from getting cut, you know, when you put it in. So yeah, and it does have a belt loop here on it. So it is a usable sheath, but actually I think the knife deserves a better one, so I might get back on the sewing machine and do some better stitching and get my tension correct and everything. And I put a ink stamp of a leaf because this is a garden knife. So, and that was the only stamp I had laying around. So I just ink stamped a leaf. I guess it's a maple leaf on the sheath. But so there's our Hori Hori knife. Yes, a valuable piece of Japanese heritage. Fine knife. So yeah, I will say the serrated edge on this knife, you can't just cut everything with it because of the concave of the blade. You're limited to the diameter of what you can cut. But I did try this out after I made it to see, and this is a piece of a stick of seasoned live oak, and about 15 strokes I almost got through it. So it does cut, but yeah, you're not going to be able to cut too much larger diameter than this. This is about the limit for this knife that I made, just because of the concave and everything, you know. It starts binding up when it gets into that curved part. But there we are. This episode of Work Knives of the World with the Japanese Hori Hori knife, and like I say, a very, very rich piece of Japanese history, and being used by horticulturists all around the world, and considered by many to be the ultimate gardening tool, the Hori Hori knife. This is Dave. Thanks for watching. Come on back for the next one. I appreciate it. See you.